Welcome back to Pete's Knowledge Corner. I hope you all doing well. We all know that accidents are the major cause of injury in children. As a matter of fact, the place where child regard as the safest place is nothing our home. You all know very well. And the main cause of home accident is the general negligence of safety at home. So today in this video, I'm going to share about few things how to prevent home accident in children. So let me ask you one thing. How do you feel when your child comes and says to you, "Mom and Dad, keep me safe"? Yeah, I know you feel to be more closer to your child, but feel to be closer means that you are also responsible in keeping the child safe and preventing home accidents. So in this video, I'm going to share how we can prevent home accidents through a mnemonic. So mnemonic means you can remember every time easily. So this mnemonic is from the above discussed statement, that is, "Mom and Dad, keep me safe." So that every time you remember, when your child says "Mom and Dad, keep me safe," you remember that every time. So from this statement only, I'm going to share the tips. Okay, so every tips comes from the letters of this, like M, O, M, D, A, D, K, E, E, P, M, E, S, A, F, E. So parents are also responsible in preventing home accidents. As I said before, the tips are from the statement "Mom and Dad, keep me safe." So the first letter, M. So M stands for monitor while they play. So always we have to monitor when the child play, or when the child is alone, or when the child walks or roams or crawls. Always we have to monitor the child. The second letter, O. O stands for out of reach. That is, you have to keep all your cleaning products or chemicals out of reach to the child, because children are very curious in opening the things, and also whenever they get anything in their hand, immediately they will be taking that to their mouth. That will be leading to many problems. So in order to prevent that, we can always keep all these chemicals or these cleaning agents which is not reachable to the child. So I suggest to have some closed cupboard or rack to keep all these products. The third letter, M. M stands for mom. So when the child calls you "Mom, Mom," you have to respond them immediately, because we don't know in which situation the child is. Sometimes a small response also can save or protect the child from serious dangers. And the next letter, D. D stands for doors. So the doors and windows must be locked to avoid misadventure by children. The next letter, A. A stands for avoid placing hot liquids on a table that has a runner or tablecloth hanging over. And the next letter is again D. D stands for again door. That is, door finger pinch guard should be kept. To prevent the children trapping their fingers into their door hinges, we have to always place door finger pinch guard. And the next letter, K. Keep floor dry. So in order to prevent falls and slips, we have to keep the floor dry. And the next letter, E. E stands for elevate bed rail of the baby cot when the baby is in the cot. And the next letter also, E. E stands for ensure timely cleaning up of spills. So whenever anything spilled over the floor, we have to clean it up immediately. The next letter, P. P stands for paddling pools should be emptied and stored away when not in use. Letter, M. M stands for make the environment in your home safe. So all sort of environments in your home should be safe. The next letter E. E stands for electronics away from water and it should not be reachable to the child. The next letter S. S stands for stair safety. Stairs can be also the cause of accident for many different reasons. So to avoid falls, make sure that the handrail runs the full length of the staircase and carpets are secured, and you should not put any rugs or mats at the base or top of the stairs. One more thing I want to share for yes, that is secure rugs. So to prevent rugs from moving around and causing slips, you have to secure them with non-skid pads, or you can also purchase rugs with slip resistant backings, or another alternative can also be used, that is you can use double-sided carpet tape to keep the rug in its place. Next letter A. A stands for always install grab bars in the shower. To prevent falls and slips, you can always install grab bars in the shower. The next letter F. F stands for fire safety. So you have to teach your kids not to play with matches or lighters, and you should not keep any flammable objects near to the stove, and you should not allow your child to play near the fireplaces or stove, and you should not leave candles or incense burning which is reachable to the child. And here the last letter E. E stands for electrical sockets should be closed always. Nowadays auto closure sockets are available, so you can install that in your homes. So I hope you all understand. Accidents could not be completely avoided, but its occurrence could be prevented. So in order to prevent accident to children, we parents should pay more attention to home safety. They should also clear any hidden hazards at home, and we have to teach children about safety too. If accident happens, stay calm and call for help immediately. Thank you.